Maligayang Pasko, Kabaluyan! Preparing for this big event of the provincial government was really challenging but full of excitement. Lalo na at ang designated area ng legislative sector ay ang Veterans Park na alam naman nating malaki ang sukat. But through the leadership of Vice Governor Mark Ronald Lampino and the 15 Sangguniang Palalawigan members, napagtulong-tulungan namin buuin ang galing ng Pangasinan. Like the Star of Bethlehem, which served as the guiding light of the three kings in search of the child Jesus. The legislative sector's big parole symbolizes the provincial government of Pangasinan, which serves as the guiding direction of the 48 local government units in the province in their pursuit for progress and development. Galing ng Pangasinan wishes to emphasize the aspiration of the provincial leadership in setting the direction towards the realization of our vision for Pangasinan being a premier province of great opportunities, sustained economic growth, and a place where one can experience life at its best. Made mostly from recycled materials, the parole with the provincial logo as its centerpiece hangs overlooking 48 miniature paroles representing 48 local government units within Pangasinan, each with their corresponding logos in the center. 6 rays representing 6 districts emanate from the provincial parole. And just below the provincial parole is an interactive map of Pangasinan depicting each LGU's famous product or destination to showcase the vast resources, diverse culinary traditions, and ways of life in the province. Galing ng Pangasinan highlights why we are always proud to say, Pangasinan, ang galing! This is the Christmas video of the legislative sector. Sama-sama po nating sundan ang ningning ng Pasko sa galing ng Pangasinan.
Siyang maningning na Pasko, Pangasinan ang galing.
Siyang maningning na Pasko, Pangasinan ang galing.
Can we skip to the good part?